I'm here with Dr. Sonia. She is a board-certified dermatologist and UCSF clinical instructor. Great to have you here, doctor.
Thank you, Janelle.
All right, so we're talking about a new procedure called the Elite Hair Graft procedure. This is a minimally invasive technology to counter hair loss.
And my patients are so excited about it, exactly, because it's no longer as invasive. So I hear, stories from my men and women, how distraught, how depressed they are, what they're doing to cover up their hair loss, their receding hairlines, their increased scalp show, from powders to over-the-counter, solutions to hairstyling fixes to the wigs, so no longer do they have to do that. The older technique involved an unsightly linear scarring. People really didn't like that, especially for men who wanted to wear their hair short. So now the newer solution, we no longer have that problem anymore. It's done right in the office under local anesthesia, no unsightly linear scarring, because we're taking each hair follicle, suctioning it, and putting in the areas of interest.
So no cutting anymore.
Very natural. So we're just sectioning. We no longer have that long linear scar.
And you brought some examples of the procedure?
And I love that I can do it in both men and women, but from all ages, all ethnicities. I have patients from 17 years old to 90 years old who want to get this done.
Women don't talk about hair loss, right? And our eyebrows thinned out too much. Can you do something about that?
My females are coming in more for the eyebrows and some of the thinning. So the eyebrows can be due to medications, due to aging, due to over-tweezing.
Oh yes, big time.
So our population's grown 500% just for the eyebrows itself. So no longer do you have to do all those temporary
Draw
fixes.
the line on. And I love that you offer so much at Elite MD.
Well, we're so fortunate. We get the best, most latest, most cutting-edge technologies. Our doctors, our families, our staff, they've all been patients.
Have they really?
Yes.
Oh.
So we're testimonials ourselves.
All right, the doctors use it. That is a powerful testimonial. Okay, great information. Dr. Sonia is now offering a complimentary Elite Hair Graft consultation. Plus, the first 50 callers get 10% off their treatment if you mention KPIX. Call 925-298-4727. That's 925-298-4727.